How can you see what's hidden inside a leaf? Today we'll make skeletonized leaves that turn out weightless and transparent. Pour liquid drain cleaner and boiling water into a container in a 1-to-1 ratio. Collect autumn leaves of different shapes and put them into the solution. Seal the container tightly, and after 3 days, carefully remove the leaves and rinse them. Then the leaves need to be dried a little. Skeletonized leaves are leaves with only the veins remaining. The soft tissues are removed, creating a delicate skeleton, a network of veins. The leaves can also be colored by dipping them in colored water with food coloring, then drying them. The result will be incredibly beautiful.